Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of October. If you're new here, if you're new to Boxycharm, it's a makeup, beauty, and hair care subscription box and it retails for around $30 a month. I know with inflation prices are increasing, so I think now I'm paying $32 after shipping, handling, and taxes. And the value of the box is a minimum of $125. I absolutely love this box. I've been getting it for almost 2 years now, and I will have my referral link and my referral link and my code listed down below. But let's get started. Each box has a theme, and I say a theme loosely because the themes really don't match up well. I'm not going to get into it, but it is a Halloween theme, and for my family we don't really celebrate Halloween, so I'm not a big fan of the theme of this month, but I'm not surprised. But I don't want to get into that right now. Let's just get into my items that are in the box. That aside, I do really like the box. Let's go ahead and start in with the Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo. When I saw the Boxycharm spoilers, I was really hoping this was going to be in my box, but it is a perfect pairing of Natasha's iconic cheek formulas. This duo features a lightweight, hydrating cream blush and luminous powder highlighter in 2 shades that flatter all skin tones. Both formulas can be applied with a brush or fingertips. It's all you need for the on-the-go, and it retails for $42. I love this. I tried it on this morning, and I love how this isn't like too pink. It's like that perfect, very muted, very everyday kind of tone. And this highlighter, it's a champagne highlighter with some pink in it, and it's not too intense. I thought it was going to be a little too deep for my skin tone, but I love it. And yes, it's true to Natasha's formula. I love her formula. This was definitely the #1 thing I was hoping to get in my box this month, so I am excited. Let's move on to the choice for the month. This was the Wonder Beauty Double Date Eyeshadow Duo. This perfectly curated duo provides a multitude of looks with effortless application. The cream color primes and adds a wash of color to the lids, and the satin shimmer powder adds dimension, featuring a built-in mirror. This stacked compact gives you a quick and easy eye look when you're on the go. Applies beautifully with your fingers or a brush, and it retails for $26. Again, I applied this with my fingers and I love it. All I have on my eyes today are just the 2 shades, nothing else besides mascara, and of course I use an eyeshadow primer, but that's kind of normal for just every day anyway. But this would be a very good, quick and easy on the go look as it describes, and I do like it. I love how compact it is. I love how it's a cream and a shimmer, and those pair beautifully together. This could be a very easy everyday eye look if you are one that doesn't like to spend a lot of time on your makeup, or particularly a lot of time on your eyes in the morning, or if you're just having one of those mornings where you just need to go. This is super quick to use, and I'm glad I picked this for my choice of the month. This next item, I am actually annoyed with this next item in my box. It is one of those items that they put in the box for the sake of getting the value up. And that item is the Symbiosis London Invigorating and Resurfacing Eye Contour. I am invigorated. Is that the context of the words? But this retails for $125, and I have something very similar in my collection. I think it's like a night eye cream, and it's nothing special. I'm actually irritated that this is in my box this month. But this cream works so intensely, nourished to the let me read that again. I'm annoyed with this item. This cream works to intensely nourish and the delicate eye area and perform a firming and lifting effect, instantly smoothing the look of skin to leave the eyelids and the eye contour looking toned and reshaped. And again, it retails for $125. There is no reason why this needs to be in my box. Give me either something of lesser value that I'm going to use more of, or add in a 6th item to get the value of the box up without using something that you need just to get the value of the box up. I understand inflation's going on, but if you're going to promise the value of the box, promise the value of the box what you're going to promise it, and don't do that with this. Again, I have something similar to this. I get eye primers and stuff in my box from time to time. It's not uncommon. There's no reason why something like this needs to be in my box. I have gotten eye primers that I like more, or not eye primers, but eye contours that I like more that have a lesser value. That is irritating to me. Now, Boxycharm has gotten better, I feel like, at not giving us too many items just to get the value of the box up, but this was definitely in there because, again, it's nothing special. I mean, if you're a skincare connoisseur, you might like this. I don't know. I like makeup, but I do enjoy skincare, and I do think that skincare is worth investing in, but not $125 for an eye cream that doesn't do a whole lot anyway. There's my beef with that. Alright, now let's move on to something that I'm a little less irritated for, and this is the St. Lux Setting Spray. This lightweight microfine setting mist helps your skin retain moisture and set your makeup with a glowy finish. Not only is the setting spray formulated to help you achieve flawless makeup, it can also be used on clean skin, and this retails for $25. That's what I feel like an eye cream should retail for, $25, not $125. So I use this. I mean, so far it seems to work. I like it. The smell is a little funky. It's kind of weird, but I mean, I'm needing more setting sprays because I go through setting sprays like crazy. I just used one up not too long ago, so I'm glad to have gotten this in my box to add it back and to add another one into my collection because, again, I needed one, so I'm happy to have this. And I'm not mad at it so far. I mean, I haven't checked too much on my makeup today, but upon first impressions, it seems to work. I think the bottle's a little bit short, but I mean, it's cute, and I think it'll work out just well for what I need it to. Now let's go into the last item in my box. This is I believe it's the Titan Breakfast Dewy Collagen Primer. I believe that's what that is. The description's a little funky, but I believe that the brand is Titan Breakfast. This breakfast of champions in the tropics hits different. Think of it as your skin's morning collagen smoothie with plant and fruit extracts blended into a dewy, milky serum to tone and prime your skin for the next stage of your routine. Build the base for your makeup and glide over or bask in the glass skin glow that lasts all day long, and it retails for $32. This smells like strawberry shortcake to me, or like some either strawberry shortcake or strawberry champagne cake. It felt like thick water. It felt like milky thick water, and it's not bad. It smells a little strong and a little bit too artificial for my taste, but it feels really nice on the skin. I really do like it, and I'm happy to have it. I'm wearing it over a dewy foundation today, so I don't really know whether or not how dewy it really is, but it felt nice on the skin. It left my bare skin looking nice and glowy and fresh, so I think I am going to really like this, especially as time goes on. I will have to try it over a more matte foundation, so let me know if you'd like to see that in a future video, but I like this. Overall, I feel like this box was a good box. I'm irritated for the sole fact of this. I don't think the box was bad though. I think it was a good box. I'm super happy that I got what I got. I really wanted this. I'm super happy to have gotten this. This is amazing, and I feel like I'm really gonna like this as time goes on. So with that, thank you for watching this video. If you are new here, hi, my name is Michaela, and I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and I try to incorporate beauty. I try to incorporate my love for beauty with my love for Christ in what I hope is a well-rounded channel. Those are two great passions of mine. Christ is my number one. Beauty is my hobby, and I've always had this love to incorporating both into my everyday lifestyle, and I hope to share that with you guys. So if that's what you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button, and if that is not what you're interested in but want to stick around, would love to have you anyway. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.